Yes, students, just now I discussed about Dalton's symbol, and Dalton used figures to give the symbol of element. Later on, it was not very convenient. So, who came forward? Berzelius. And in a more scientific way, he introduced the symbol of element. He used one or two letters of the name of the element to give the symbol of the element. And now the modern symbols are all based on Berzelius concept. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the symbol of some of the elements, common elements which is used. And students, this is the base for chemistry. As in mathematics, you should know the multiplication table. In the same way in chemistry, for higher classes, this is the base. You should know about the symbol of the element, symbol, valency, how to frame formula. So, I am starting with symbol. So, students, please revise the symbol every day. You should learn it, symbol of the elements. Step by step, we will go ahead. So, first I am starting with symbol. Okay, and here I am going to write the symbol of the elements from atomic number 1 to atomic number 20 in order. So, you also learn in that order. For class 9th, you have to know the name of the elements from atomic number 1 to atomic number 20. Okay, and what is atomic number and all in other classes, I will let you know. First, step by step, we will move forward. Okay, so first element with atomic number 1 is hydrogen. So, I have made some columns. Here I have written elements, name of the elements. Here Latin name, then symbol of this element, then atomic number of the element, then mass number or atomic mass. You can say mass number, or we can also say atomic mass of the element. And you have to learn it, this atomic number, mass number of these elements. Okay, so hydrogen, the symbol of the element comes from its first letter. And what is first letter? H. So, what is symbol of hydrogen? H, capital H. And remember students, some rules are there for writing symbol. First letter should be capital. And if two letters we are using, then first letter should be capital and second letter small, and size should also be small. This is the way of writing symbol of element. Okay. So, for hydrogen, what is symbol? We are using the first letter H. And atomic number is 1. And mass number also 1. Okay. Next, helium. Helium students, this is noble gas. You should know what are the noble gases. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. And noble gases are unreactive. Noble gases are unreactive. So, helium is noble gas. And symbol of helium, first two letters. So, what will be the symbol of helium? Capital H, because I said first letter capital and second letter small. So, He. And size should also be small. Students, if I write H capital, okay, E small, okay, but size is equal to hydrogen. So, this will be wrong. What is first letter should be capital, okay, second letter small, but size should also be small. Otherwise, if you write this way, wrong. Okay. Next. Lithium. Again, first two letters for lithium for writing the symbol. Capital L, small I. Size should be small. And helium atomic number is 2. Lithium atomic number is 3. Because just before I started this, I told I am writing the elements in increasing order of atomic number. Atomic number 1 to 20. So you learn in this order: hydrogen, helium, lithium, 1, 2, 3 atomic number. Okay. Next, beryllium. Again, first two letters for beryllium. Symbol capital B, small e. And atomic number is 4. I am not writing the atomic mass of all the elements. The elements which will be required for you to write the molecular mass. When you have to calculate, you have to calculate molecular mass of elements, that is there. So to calculate molecular mass, students, you need atomic masses, you should know. So some of the common elements which is used, that only I will write, otherwise all elements have atomic number and atomic mass. Okay. Next, boron. First letter is used for boron, capital B, and atomic number is 5. Next, carbon. First letter is used. Nitrogen. First letter is used. Oxygen. First letter is used. Fluorine. First letter is used to write the symbol, and first letter should be capital. So, carbon, C, atomic number 6, and mass number of carbon is always mass number of the elements just double of atomic number or double plus 1 in some of the elements. Okay. So, carbon, what is atomic number? 6, double of 6, 12. So, what is mass number? Yeah, atomic mass 12. Nitrogen, first letter N. So, symbol is N. Atomic number is 7 and double of 7, 14. Next, oxygen, first letter O. So, symbol is O. Atomic number 8, double of 8, 16. Next, fluorine, first letter F, capital F. Atomic number 9, and then neon, first and second letter is used to write the symbol capital N, small e. Capital N, small e, and atomic number is 10, and neon is again a noble gas. After helium, neon is next, second noble gas. And helium atomic number is 2, neon atomic number is 10. So, atomic number 1 to 10 I have written here the elements. Learn in this order: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Again I repeat, students: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So, if I ask what is atomic number of oxygen, you should remember what is atomic number of oxygen? 8. Which element has atomic number 3? Lithium. You should know which element with atomic number 3? Lithium. Hydrogen, what is atomic number? 1. Nitrogen, what is atomic number? 7. What is symbol of neon? Ne. What is symbol of nitrogen? N. Why neon first and second letter used, students? Because in nitrogen also first letter is N, neon also first letter is N. So for nitrogen first letter only taken. For neon also if we write only first letter, so it will be very confusing. So first and second letter used here. So to write the symbol, students, either first letter of the element is used, or first or second letter is used, or first letter and sound of second letter sometimes used, and sometimes symbol of the element we write from the Latin name of the element. Okay. So further when we write more elements, it will be clear to you. Okay.